Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Evil Eye cube. It is very interesting cube. It has six sides, and each side there are corners and edges. So there are corners. These are corners, and these are edges. So you can see, and there are different colors. So first, let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So our first step is to fix one side, and then the next side, and then this side, and then this side, and then we'll fix the bottom, and then last step is to fix the top side. Okay, so we can start with any side. So probably we'll start with this is white and blue, so we'll start with white and blue. This is one corner, so we'll fix all four corners first, and then we'll fix the edges. So this is white and blue, so what we can do is we can find another white and blue and another option, or here we should find one white and another color. So this is white and purple. Let's see if we can fix this white and purple with this. So this is white and purple. Take it up, move like this and bring this down. Okay, so now we have two corners which are in place. Now we have to fix these two corners. So here it should be purple and the other color, and here it should be blue. So we should have two corners which has purple and blue. Here it should be purple and here it should be blue. So let's find out. So here it is purple. So here it is, this is the purple. So if it is green, so here it should be green and blue. So we should have green and blue, green and blue, dark green and blue. Do we have dark green and blue? Dark green and blue. Let us find out. No, we do not have. So we need to find another purple option. So another purple is here, purple and yellow. So purple and yellow is here. So we need to find blue and yellow option. So blue and yellow is also here. So what we can do is we can try to fix first these two pieces. So this is one piece, and what we can do is we'll first bring this out of the way like this here, and now we'll fix it this corner like this. Okay, so now this is our white and blue, this is white and purple, and now we have one purple and one blue which was required. So here it was required purple and here it was required blue. So we have both the pieces, and now we can bring this back like this. So now we can see all our corners, these colors are matching. So purple, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, white, white, purple. Okay, now we have to fix the edges. So these are the edges. So blue is already fixed. Now we have to fix the purple. Here we have to fix white and yellow. So what we can do is, if we have white and yellow, yellow is here, so we need to find one white eye. White is here. So what we can do is we'll bring this yellow on left hand side, this is on right hand side. What we'll do is we'll bring it up Now you can see we can fix it. We'll turn it around. This is yellow, this is white, and if we move this middle layer, so it will automatically fix. So now we can see our yellow and white pieces are edges are fixed. Now we have to fix blue and purple. So we have blue color over here, and we need to find one purple. So purple is also here. So what we can do is we can bring this down like this, okay, and we can fix it with this edge. So what we'll do is we'll first turn it round. So this blue will come here and this purple will come here. So simply we have to move middle layer like this. So now you can see our first side is fixed. Now we can see our first side is fixed. Now we'll start with next side. So here it should be white, so like this. So here it is white, here it is white, here it should be white. So we need to find one edge piece of white and one corner piece of white. So where is white corner piece? Yes, it is here. So what we can do is this piece needs to be fixed here. Okay, so what we can do is this is the piece white and brown, and this is white and green. We need to fix both the pieces here. So what we can do is we can simply bring this up, take it out of the way, and bring this down. So this side should not be disturbed. So what we'll do is this piece, this corner, will bring it up like this, take it out of the way, and bring this down. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix brown, and we need to find one brown piece, brown, and we have this is brown and green. Okay, so this both the pieces will fix here. Okay, so what we can do is this both the pieces green and ivory and brown, both the pieces will fix here, because here we need one brown which is here, and here we need one green here, so that is here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this two pieces in this on this side. So up, out of the way, and down. So now you know it is on the next side. So now what we'll do is we have to fix these two pieces, these two pieces here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this down and move these two pieces here and bring it up. So now we can see our pieces are fixed. Now we have to just fix the edges. So here it should be white and ivory, and here it should be green and brown. So we need to find white and ivory is here and white is here. So what we can do is simply, this is ivory, so what we'll do is we'll bring this piece here and take it out of the way. Out of the way like this, and bring this down. Okay, now we have this white and ivory color which we need to fix it here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this up here, because here otherwise it will get disturbed. So we'll first bring these two edges on top like this and take it out of the way. And now what we'll do is bring this down, so that or this edge should not, this side should not be disturbed. Okay, now we have to bring this white and ivory in this position. So this is ivory, so ivory should be on back side, and simply we have to bring this down, because since there is no edges here, so I mean this side will not get disturbed because we have not yet fixed this side. So we can simply put this edges into place. Now we have to fix this space, I mean brown and green. So brown is here. Now we have to fix green. So we simply will put this up, bring it out of the way and put this down. Okay, so now we have this brown and green also here. So what we'll do is we'll first uh, move this piece. So this is here, it should be brown and here it should be green. So brown and green. So simply what we'll do is we'll move this piece middle edge like this, and now we can see our edges are solved. So we have fixed two side, one side, second side. Now we have to fix third side. Here it should be ivory. So ivory we have like this. So here it should be another ivory side corner. So what we'll do is, this is the side. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this up, take into right side and bring this down. So our ivory is fixed. Here by default we have a blue and gray color. So if we have pink and gray, so our this corner should be pink and gray. Do we have pink and gray? So that we can fix it. Pink and gray is here. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this corner out of the way and put this corner here. So this is the pink and here it should be gray and blue. Okay, so gray should be common color. Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll bring this piece on top like this and take it out of the way and bring this down. Now we have this gray and blue over here and pink and blue, sorry, pink and gray over here. So what we'll do is we'll fix this piece like this and take it out of the way and bring it back, because otherwise this side will get disturbed. Okay, so now we have gray and pink and gray and blue, and now simply what we have to do is, now this is the top, this side we need to fix. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up, take it out of the way, this piece will come here and we'll bring this down so that this side will not get disturbed. So up, bring this into this position and bring it back. So now we can see this is fixed, all corners are fixed. Now we have to fix the edges. So it is pink and blue. So we have pink, we need to find one blue edge. So we have one blue edge. What we'll do is we'll bring it up, take it out of the way and bring it down. So now we have pink and blue, which we can fix it. So pink should be on back side, so it will fix here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this middle edge like this and we'll turn it like this 90 degree, and now we'll bring it back, because otherwise our backside edge will get disturbed. So this should not get disturbed. So now we can see this, both the edges are fixed. Now we have to fix these edges. So here it should be white and sorry, ivory and gray. So ivory and gray is here. So now what we can do is we'll bring this out of the way and we'll try first up middle layer. Okay, and turn it 90 degree, and now we'll bring it back so that this side will not get disturbed and this is fixed. So now we can see our first, second, third side is also done. Now we are left with fourth side. So here it is gray and green. We need to find another gray piece that is here. So what we can do is we'll simply fix this gray piece like this and take it out of the way and bring it back. Okay, so now you can see our both the corners are fixed. Now we have to fix green, I mean light green, and the other piece, and here it should be orange. So we have orange and purple, so here it should be light green and orange if we have to fix it. Or we have another option, that is yellow, because here it is yellow, so here also it should be yellow. So green and yellow, so this is the right piece, we'll fix here. So here it should be yellow and orange. So yellow and orange is here. So what we'll do is we have to fix this yellow and orange. This is yellow. Okay, so yellow is the common color. So what we can do is this yellow will come here, and this two edges will fix. So we'll take it up, take out of the way and bring it down like this. So now you can see this edges, two corners are also fixed. So now we have to fix this two corner, I mean this two corner over here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up and take it out of the way and bring this piece over here and we'll bring it back. So up, bring it here and down. So now we can see these all are fixed. Now we have to fix the middle edges only. So here it is orange and green. So we have orange here and we have green here. Okay, so these two edges will fix here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this two edges up like this, take it out of the way and down, so that this back sides should not be disturbed. Okay, and now you can see our orange and green edges are on top, which we have to fix it here. So back is orange. Okay, so what we'll do is now we'll bring this down middle edge only, middle layer only, and rotate it 90 degree, and now bring this back so that our back side should not be disturbed. Okay, now yellow and gray. So yellow is here, now we have to fix gray is here. So what we'll do is gray we'll have to keep it on left side and yellow will keep it on right side, and we'll bring this up. So we'll have to bring this up like this, take it out of the way and bring this down. Okay, now we have yellow and gray over here. So what we can do is we'll keep it right and left, and now we'll take middle layer on top and we'll rotate it and we'll bring it back. So it's up like this, and since gray is on back, so we'll keep gray side on back side. and now bring it down like this. And now you can see all our sides are done. Now we are left with bottom and top. So now we'll start with bottom. So here it is purple. So we need to fix first we need to fix the edges in this side. So here it should be it is let's say here it is green, so here it should be green. So what we'll do is we'll bring this edge up, and green is here, this dark green is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up like this, and this is dark green, we'll bring it down. Okay, so don't worry about corners now. Now we have to fix the edges in bottom first. So first we'll fix the edges and then we'll fix the corners. So this edge is fixed. Now we have to fix the purple edge. So purple is also here, take it out of the way and bring it up, and take purple is here, and now bring this down. So purple is also fixed. So now we can see purple is fixed, green is fixed. Now we have to fix blue and orange. So both are swept. So what we'll do is first we'll take it on top. So here this blue will take on top and we'll bring it out of the way and down. Okay, so now we know that this purple orange is fixed. Now we have to fix the blue side. Blue side should be here. So here it is orange. So this blue will come here. So what we'll do is first we'll bring it on top and rotate it, bring it down. So this is done. And now orange. So this is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed. Now this is here it should be orange. So we'll take it on top and we'll fix the orange side. Okay, so now orange is also fixed. Now we can see all our edges are fixed. Now we have to fix the corners. So here it should be purple and green. So where is purple and green? Purple and green is here. So now we'll use cuboid algorithm. So this corner will come here. So here it is green, so green side will come here, and here it is purple, so purple will come here. So it is like 2R U 2R UI 2R. So now we can see this is fixed, but this side is swept. So again we'll do the same algorithm and it will come into its original position. So don't worry about this side. So now we have to fix the orange and purple. Orange and purple is here. So this will come here. So again 2R U 2R UI 2R. So now we can see it is into its correct position. Now third, here it should be blue and orange. So where is blue and orange is here. So we'll bring it on top of it. So this will come here. So again 2R U 2R UI 2R. Okay, now last corner, green and blue. So green and blue is here. So again 2R U 2R UI 2R. So now we can see our bottom side is also fixed. So now we are left with the top. So top, if you look at, we have a headlight. We have two corners which are of the same color. So this is called headlight. If you do not find any headlight, you have to do this algorithm, or if you find two corners of the same color, then also we have to use this algorithm. So that will flip both the corners. So hold it like this, and this is also cuboid algorithm which swap the corners. So corner swapping algorithm, that is 2R U 2R UI 2R UI D 2R UI 2R U 2R. So now we can see this both the corners are swapped, and corners are now fixed. Now we have to fix the uh, edges, I mean these two edges only. So now we have to fix these two edges only, and this is again cuboid algorithm of swapping the edges. Okay, if we'll swap this two edge by doing this algorithm, this side will also be swapped. So then we'll have to do another algorithm and fix it. So first we'll fix these two edges. So it is side by side swapping algorithm, that is 2R U 2R U 2R 2U 2R 2U 2R U 2R UI and 2R. So now you can see this is fixed, but this side, now you can see this entire side is swapped. So now we have to hold it like this, and we have to perform the algorithm. Okay, so next step is to fix these two sides are swapped. So that normally becomes because either of these two edges will be swapped, either of two of this or this. So what we'll do is, this the swept edges, wrong edges. So we'll hold it like this, and we'll do 90-degree up, so on top. So this is the side, you can see this side and this side are swapped. So what we'll do is, we'll hold it in right hand side and we'll take it up like this, right? And now we'll do 2U like this and bring it down, and again 2U. So now again we'll take it to the top. So now we can see this back side, this side is now solved. Now we are left with 1, 2 and 3 sides. You can see this. Okay, so now next step is this back side is already done. Now we are left with 1, 2 and 3 side. So top, front and bottom. So what we'll do is, this is our front side. So we'll do F2 like this and we'll solve this. So this L D2 and L prime. So now we can see this front side is solved. Now we are left with top and bottom. Okay, so now we are left with top and bottom edges. So you can see this top edges, two edges are flipped, and in bottom also these two edges are flipped. So it is simple algorithm. This is our top, this is bottom. So R2, U2, again R2. Now we'll do from left side L2, D2 and L2. So now you can see all the sides are now solved, and we have solved the cube. So this is very simple cube, and if you have any query you can message me. Thank you very much.